Respected Mr. Shankar Kumar, the President of the group of these institutions, respected Mr. Jawahar, Treasurer, respected Mr. Raj Mohan, the General Secretary, Dr. Sundara Avadaipan, Dr. Manikandan, Dr. Selvaraj, the members of the trust on the dais, professors, parents, and my dear young friends. I am extremely delighted to be here for this annual day function. And I am not new to this institution. I have come several times to this institution and I have interacted with the students, and I deem it as a great privilege to come once again and interact with you in these idyllic surroundings. Dr. Sundara Avadaipan was commending the achievements of this institution, though it's a nascent institution which started recently, and the laurels that it has won in the academic field and in other achievements are laudable. It is not a surprise for me when I heard the achievements of this institution which were read out in the annual report, though many of them were skipped by the principal for want of time. I am telling you, the institution located in this kind of serene atmosphere, totally unpolluted, which is free from all kinds of distractions, is bound to produce talents. The very environment is conducive for the growth of talents. I am sure this institution will produce stalwarts in various fields of engineering, science, and technology. As I was going through the annual report, it is highly impressive. And this impressive annual report is by virtue of the cooperation between the staff and the students of this institution. Let me tell you that I was slightly disturbed when the applause was coming from the particular corner when the name of a particular faculty was spelled out. For example, when the principal was reading mechanical engineering, I found the claps coming from one corner. Then when it was computer engineers, the claps were coming from another corner. My dear friends, all of you are engineers. All of you belong to this institute. Don't have this kind of fissiparous tendency. The word engineering comes from the English word ingenuity, which means one who is having a sharp acumen, who has got a spark. And that spark is producing these robots, various machines, and various types of equipment required for the welfare of the humanity. Let me tell you the experience that I had in my life. When I was a student of agriculture, my intelligence was limited. My knowledge was restricted. I was constantly moving with the people in the agriculture faculty. And I did not have the opportunity to mix with the students from the other faculties and other walks of life. When I went to the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, I was able to meet the students from Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, UP, Jharkhand, Bihar, and West Bengal. Let me tell you that this was the first experience I had in my life. I could meet the people from different states. Not only that, they were from different parts of this country. They had different educational backgrounds. Some of them were from IITs, some of them were from IIMs, some of them were Jawaharlal Nehru University, some of them were from Delhi University, some of them had their education in Oxford and Cambridge. When I had that kind of interaction, I felt that I was too low a man, and that vacuum in me prompted me to acquire more knowledge. I had the urge to acquire more knowledge and wisdom by seeing all those people who were head and shoulders above me. If you are going to restrict yourselves to the faculty members or to the students of your own engineering group, you are bound to be a frog in the well. Come out of the well. See, the ocean is so long, so beautiful, and so vast. And try to transcend the barriers of the ocean by your learning process. This college period is the best part of your life. The moment you step out of this college, you will be burdened with a lot of responsibilities. The society will be behind you. Your parents will expect performance. Your senior members in the job will expect you to perform more. But this is the best part of your life because you can have a lot of freedom to branch out and explore this world. Use every moment in this institution. Use the library to the maximum possible extent. Meet the professors, listen to them. There are so many areas which have not been explored in the field of science and technology. India was once upon a time a great innovator in the field of science and technology. We were very good mathematicians. We had excellent expertise in surgery. And we lost all those great things over a period of time. I am sure this institution will provide the ignition of your minds so that you will all shine in your life and contribute in the field of science and technology. Wherever you go, you may go to the United States of America, you may go to the UK, you may go to Canada, you may go to Germany. But remember that this is your womb. This is the place from where you were incubated for a long time, and this is the place which shaped you as a human being. Form a strong alumni. Come once in a year, meet your friends, and contribute to this institution. Job is not everything. It is not salary that counts. It is the service that counts. I request all of you to celebrate this college life. I am not saying that all the 24 hours you should read. Listen to the best music in the world. See the best movies of the world. Celebrate your life. I am telling you, if at all there is a judgment day, God is not going to ask you whether you cleared all the semesters properly. He would only ask, did you enjoy Saraswati Nadar College properly? So my dear friends, make this college life a great celebration and dance and enjoy. Thank you very much.